Hey VIPeez, welcome to a brand new video where we will cover today's news updates and jump into technical analysis as well. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Grayscale is pressing the US SEC to greenlight its spot Bitcoin ETF exchange traded fund. They are saying delays are hurting investors. Grayscale lawyers sent a letter to the SEC saying the review process has been way too slow, violating securities law. They argue that the SEC shouldn't treat spot Bitcoin ETF differently from future-based ones. Grayscale wants the SEC to move fast so they can launch their product. The lawyers point out that there is no good reason to distinguish between these ETFs. The SEC had rejected spot Bitcoin ETFs before, citing concerns about protecting investors from fraud and market manipulation. Many in the crypto industry have been pushing for a Bitcoin ETF for a while now. The SEC's concern about investor protection are valid, but with the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, it is becoming increasingly important to find a balance between regulation and innovation. It will be interesting to see how the SEC responds to Grayscale's latest push. And next up, we have updates from the world of crypto mining. Marathon's Bitcoin production slips. So Marathon Bitcoin production took a hit, which is down 9% in August 2023, mainly due to extreme heat causing shutdowns in Texas. Despite this, they mined 1,072 Bitcoins, which is a massive increase from last year. Marathon's hash rate grew by 2% to 19.1 exahashes, thanks to upgraded miners. Now they are eyeing a new goal of 30 exahashes, planning international facilities and contracts with others. They're also dealing with paperwork for a Texas mining facility and a successful venture in Abu Dhabi. CEO Fred Thiel blamed the production dip on Texas weather. In Q2 2023, Marathon saw a 228% revenue surge driven by Bitcoin sales. Overall, the Bitcoin mining industry faces challenges with miners selling off holdings as Bitcoin's price fluctuates. The impact of weather on mining operations highlights the importance of diversification and preparedness in the field. Additionally, the strategy of selling mined Bitcoin to cover expenses indicates how companies are adapting to the market's volatility. In other news, MetaMask Fiat integration is making it easier for users to sell their Ethereum for regular money. They have just launched a feature that lets you cash out Ether and send the money to your bank account in the US, UK, and other parts of Europe. Initially, this service is limited to Ether, but they plan to extend other tokens in the future. This comes after they introduced the ability to buy cryptocurrencies with fiat money from bank accounts, PayPal, and cards a few months ago. MetaMask has been partnering with various crypto services and even launched a staking marketplace for institutional clients. However, it is worth noting that scammers have targeted MetaMask users, so always stay vigilant. MetaMask's move to simplify the process of converting cryptocurrencies to fiat is a significant step in making crypto more accessible for everyday users. However, the mention of scammers targeting MetaMask users serves as a reminder of the importance of cybersecurity and being cautious when dealing with crypto wallets and transactions. That's all from the news side of things. Now let's jump into Bitcoin and see where it is heading next. So Bitcoin is currently trading at 25.6k, and just as I showed you last week that if Bitcoin retests this upward sloping trend line, we will sell off, and there is a great possibility of it to retrace back to $25,000 level. And this is exactly what's happening right now. With the weekend on the horizon, I expect not much price action to be seen here, and all we will have is some consolidation. But the real question is, where is it heading next? So right now in the macro picture, I think Bitcoin will head down to 20k and revisit this lower high. That will be a good support level from where we can expect a bounce. But always remember, crypto is volatile and we can see sudden moves based on some news. Maybe it can be a spot ETF approval or something else. But if you leave yourself on the mercy of news, you will be left empty-handed. So it is in your best interest to follow charts, and right now we can see a bearish retest of this trend line that has held strong throughout this year. And we also have a double top formation here. So that's my thought process behind the prediction of Bitcoin revisiting 20k. If you have any questions or queries related to Bitcoin or any other altcoins, you can leave a comment down below or join our Discord community where we are discussing these things in real time and educating our members on daily basis. I strongly recommend you to visit our Discord if you actually want to learn and make big bags. That's all for today, folks. I hope you learned something new today. Drop a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel, as we will be covering technical analysis and daily news updates related to crypto. So see you in the next video. We are going to look at what's happening with the exchange, which has been the talk of the town for quite some time. Coinbase's Ethereum project Base, which was launched in August, experienced a significant outage on September 5th. For 43 minutes, no new blocks were produced on the network, causing an interruption. Base is an initiative by Coinbase, which is the world's second largest crypto exchange, aimed at addressing challenges on the Ethereum blockchain. It uses Optimism's OP stack software to enhance scalability and speed for decentralized applications. While this outage is a setback, it is essential to remember that such issues are not uncommon in the world of blockchain technology, and it highlights the need for continuous development and improvement in these systems. The outage in Coinbase's Base project is a reminder of the challenges that can arise in the rapidly evolving world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. It is not unusual for new projects to encounter technical difficulties, and the crypto community must learn from these incidents and work towards more robust and reliable solutions. Coinbase's commitment to addressing Ethereum's limitation with Base is a positive step in the right direction, despite this initial setback.